Hi guys, now it will be Rock Pegasus and Flame Sagittario. I'll be spinning Flame Sagittario in first, and I'll be using Flame Sagittario launcher. Sagittario is going around the arena, so is Rock Pegasus. Rock Pegasus is going really fast. And Rock Pegasus hit and was scraping Sagittario swords. One more scrape by Rock Pegasus on the Sagittario swords. Sagittario is now defending its swords. Now just weak attacks from Flame Sagittario. And Flame Sagittario is lost and Rock Pegasus has won. Now I'll be spinning Rock Pegasus in first. And Flame Sagittario in second. Now after two attacks, now Flame Sagittario is going really fast, and now Rock Pegasus is in two. A few hard attacks from Rock Pegasus and one scrape and another scrape on Sagittario swords. And looks like Rock Pegasus is going to lose. And I was right. And Flame Sagittario is one. Now I'll Flame Sagittario first. Pegasus in second. They're both going around the arena fast. They're closing into the middle. Rock Pegasus is on the line. And now Flame Sagittario is two. Now they're slowing down. Now two attacks from Rock Pegasus, and now they're going around the arena again. But Rock Pegasus is not allowing Flame Sagittario to go around the arena. One big hit by Rock Pegasus. And the winner for the second match. The third match is Rock Pegasus. And I'll be spinning Rock Pegasus in first. Pegasus is going around fast, and now so is Flame Sagittario. And scrapes on Sagittario swords by Rock Pegasus. And Rock Pegasus didn't really scrape Sagittario swords. Sagittario just was attacking with swords. And the winner is for the... And now a few attacks from Rock Pegasus. And the winner for this match is going to be... Rock Pegasus. And now it is time for Flame Pegasus and Rock Libra. I'm spinning Flame Pegasus in first. And after one big attack, Pegasus has went down and got right back up. And is still hitting Rock Libra, and it doesn't look like Rock Libra is taking any damage. Rock Libra looks like it's trying to hit Flame Pegasus, so is Flame Pegasus trying to hit Rock Libra, and now a few attacks. And the winner for the first match, Flame Pegasus. Now I'm spinning Rock Libra. Now, Flame is making Flame Vixus go around the arena jumping. Now Rock Leader is trying to catch Flame Vixus. And Rock Leader has catched Flame Vixus, and then Flame Vixus went around the arena, and Rock Leader has won the second match. I'll be spinning Vixus in first, and Vixus went around the arena and regained some of its power, and now Rock Leader is in, and a few attacks by Flame Vixus, and Flame Vixus bounced right off. And now Rock Leader is trying to go under Flame Vixus. Flame Vixus. Now I'll be spinning Rock first. And second. Now Flame Vixus and Rock Leader are going around the arena, and now Vixus is catching up. Now 1 hit, and now 2 hits. 3, 4 hits, 5, 6, 7 hits, 8 hits from Vixus. Now Vixus is going around the arena a little bit. And now Vixus is going to lose, and Flame Vixus has won the final match. So now it will be Rock Pegasus and Flame Vixus, but first it is going to be part 4. Thanks for watching part 3.